Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm working on my first recipe page for my recipe binder. So I have decided that the absolute first recipe that needs to go in is going to be banana bread, because that's something I make constantly. The first thing I want to do is cut a page the correct size. So I've got this piece of, I don't know what you would call it. And I'm just going to score a line there. Because I'm going to want to double the side where the holes go. So my page is 9.5 inches tall. It doesn't have to be, it can be shorter, but that's sort of the maximum height we're going for. And I only need this to be, let's say 1 inch wide, or 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to glue that down. I haven't used this glue for a couple days, so I know it's going to be gummed up. Maybe I'll wait to punch some holes. This is a page from a magazine. I don't know when. Looks probably 60s. And these bananas are going on it. Whether they like it or not. Just going to tear a little bit of the extra off. And I think I want to glue these down, but I think I need a bigger piece of paper. This is just some paper I've brought home from work. This is actually a wrapper of paper towels. I'm just using ordinary glue stick. Okay, now I will proceed to fussy cut these out. I forgot my brush somewhere. I don't know where it is. But I have this dauber thing. Requires a flick. So I don't need a pocket on this page. I'm just making a pocket on this page. That part's probably going to get cut off. That's okay. Okay. Next, I'm going to put this at the bottom of the page. That's going to line up there. That will line up there. Glue that in place. I don't know if I even see Chiquita bananas anymore. Are they still a thing? Don't know. Okay. Lid on. I just want to make sure those bananas are cut off. Yeah, I actually made 2 loaves of banana bread this week. When I went away on my holidays, there was 5 bananas on the counter, and when I came home, there was still 5 bananas on the counter, but they were in not as pleasing a condition as when I left. So we had the snow day on Monday, and I made 2 loaves of banana bread. Something very wholesome about it. Okay. We need some decoration. Well, first of all, I've got this pad of paper. Could I write the recipe on there? I could. Or I could find something else. Maybe something like that. So I want it about that wide. Let's see what we can do with that. Okay. Okay, I'm going to write out the recipe. Okay, I've got the recipe written out, and I'm going to add some Rickrack to decorate. I think I need to draw just a little pencil line to help me get that on there straight. Just a little pencil line. Hopefully that will work. Just opened this package. Oh, came from Zellers, so you know it's retro. But it's got sort of an interesting texture for Rickrack. And I like that buttery yellow color. I think we're going to do the fabric fusion. Oh yeah, on the fabric, not the paper. That's what I've learned about fabric fusion. Come on. Not sure how else to decorate this. Okay. Okay. I'll let that dry. See a little pencil line there. What if I add a little bit of I was going to say paper doily, but I don't know. Feels like it's missing something. Let me get it in the center here so you can let me. I think it's in there. Take a look. What do you think? If you were me, what would you add? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so that is the first recipe. It's going into my book. Definitely well used recipe. This came from my mother's chatelaine cookbook from the 1960s, I think. Maybe your mom had the same one. Gosh. I'm just going to widen these holes a bit. They're just not turning very easily. There, hopefully that'll help. It's better. It's better. Not perfect. Anyway, thanks for joining me today. I hope you think this is kind of a fun project and you enjoyed following along. Come back. We'll do more projects like this in the coming days. And I'd also like to get started on a new journal. So, thank you so much for popping by. Leave a comment below if you have any ideas for how I can finish off that page. It just looks a little unfinished to me. Take care of yourselves. We'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.